ano muna to. Tapusin na natin sa Hello Kitty. Yung bilog po, tapusin mo. Mamaya na, maliit lang naman ito. Papatay mo pa ito lang naman.
That's enough. Don't make it too big. Who will eat it then?
Like part of it, I will have like you can break pieces of it. So that's how all of these also what a popcorn, no? They also popcorn. They sell two kinds of popcorn. Popcorn is also popcorn for vegetables.
Yeah.
Yeah, you and me will share because this is very big.
Don't make it too
Okay.
That's okay. Enough. Okay.
Ang laki yan. Sabi mo sa kanila, laki. Dito. Hindi ba ganyan yung normal days na?
No, they will make the ear.
Yeah, they're gonna make the design. Like the design is the place. They're first getting all the cotton. They're getting all the cotton. I guess for you as well. I guess they're making for you as well. Oh, everyone else got cotton candy. Oh no, they're making the air. Yeah, they're making the air. They're making it in the form of the air. They're making the shit. Another is going to make another shit. They're making the parts. They're making the parts of it. Yeah, these are all the things they put in the cotton candy. That's how it will look like. See? See? Hello Kitty.
Ito mo tao mo. Grabe nakita.
Make a character face and call it cotton candy.
That's too big. Who will eat this?
You don't even share it, Bob.
That's all right.
But you can have it as well. You can share.
That's not all right. Yes.
Ano nga? Get.
Make it into the guy.
Chikmoso ka. Bakit chikmoso ka? Mamaya na ito kakain mo. Kumain ka na. Ano mo na yan? Kumain ka na.
No, the nose. It's the nose. The yellow nose.
Pwede ka bitawan. Ano nga yan? Good, ano?
You're also going to use the yellow part for that thing.
Kumain ka na. Ibigay ka rin mo.
Look, that guy has the yellow part. That's for the guy.
Kunti lang kinain yung ulam. Ako, ang dami nun. Naubos ko nga yung ano doon, yung watak-watak.
Now they're adding the eyes.
Buti na lang mayroon ako dito pinapit na maliit. Ayan.
They're putting the full eyes.
Oo, ayoko na naman. Hindi, buksan mo na lang ako nagagawa kumain ka na. Diyan na lang ako gagawa.
Ah, great. Perfect.